Did you know that one of the most common things in your kitchen was invented because a chocolate bar melted? This is engineer Percy Spencer in 1945. He was building radar equipment for the military, not trying to invent a new appliance. He was testing a new magnetron tube when he noticed the candy bar in his pocket had turned to go. He realized the microwaves were cooking it. The first food he intentionally cooked? Popcorn. And the second was an egg, which exploded in his face. A messy accident that changed how we eat. Subscribe for more.